Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, a founding partner at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today I want to discuss with you wrongful termination. If you've been fired from your job, can you sue your employer? This is obviously one of the first things that many people think about when they've been fired and they're frustrated with their employer and they ask, is there anything I can do about it? In the state of Pennsylvania, as a general rule, everything is at-will employment. This means that unless you have a contract or are a member of a union that has a collective bargaining agreement with your employer, then typically they can fire you for any reason or no reason at all, or worse yet, for a bad reason. So many times clients will come to me and say, I was terminated and they did an investigation and they concluded something in the investigation that was incorrect. They said that I managed the machinery wrong or I did this or that wrong. And unfortunately, the short answer is, again, unless you have a contract or are a member of a union with a collective bargaining agreement, it's okay for them to fire you even if they're wrong about the reason they fired you. But there are some reasons that they can't fire you in Pennsylvania, and these include the following. First, if you reported something that was illegal that your employer was doing and they fired you in retaliation, that is not permitted and you can sue your employer over that in most circumstances. Another example would be where you reported workplace safety issues, and maybe it wasn't technically illegal, but you made a good faith report that something they were doing with handling food or keeping the workers safe or something like that was being done. They can't fire you in retaliation for that. Another set of reasons that they can't fire you are the equal employment opportunity reasons. They can't fire you because of your age, your race, your gender, your national origin, your religion. They can't fire you because you're pregnant. There are other reasons that are similar to that. Now, your employer's size may dictate which of these apply, and that's an important thing to discuss with your attorney. But if you believe you're fired for one of those reasons, that's something that you should discuss with your attorney and see if you have the opportunity to seek some sort of redress. If you were fired for one of those reasons, be aware that you have very tight time limitations to report it. You have 180 days to report it to the Pennsylvania Human Resources Commission. You have 300 days to report it to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission of the federal government. There are other timelines for different issues. So if you reported something that was illegal, you may actually have less time. So it's important, if you believe that you've been wrongfully terminated, to go and talk to an attorney right away to discuss your options. And if you're an employer and you're thinking about how to make sure you're handling these things correctly, that's also something you should seek legal counsel about. So if you have questions about any of these issues, we welcome you to call the Cornerstone Law Firm and discuss it with us today.